Do you wanna save your thousands of dollars every year? So I'm gonna review one tool in this video that will help you to save your thousands of dollars every year. So hi guys, this is Soheb and welcome back in this new video. So we will talk about that tool which name is Live Webinar. So watch this video till the end so that you can get benefits with that tool. So I'll start this review, but before that, if you are new to this channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell, so whenever I will be reveal my new SaaS review video, so you will get a notification. So now without getting any delay, let's jump into it. Okay, first of all we will talk about Live Webinar. LiveWebinar.com is a cloud-based webinar software that has both small terms and enterprise managed webinar and online meetings. It lets any sales, HR or marketing team easily perform online event or their audience. Okay, it lets the user utilize features like presentation, screen sharing and broadcasting to Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Periscope, internal media sources and other social media platforms. Companies are able to fully customize their accounts branding, like change logos, room colors, design layouts, as well as create personalized registration form to match their business, brand identity and control email delivery and report designs. Live Webinar also offer user engagement features like polls and surveys, voting and call to actions. And with Live Webinar, organization can analyze audience engagement, delivering valuable insight and record session in HD. Using it later for analyze or as an evergreen webinar, the software integration with multiple marketing automation and CRM tools to help generate insight into meeting and webinar statistics. Data derived from event, session and phone breeze meeting are used to generate report with detailed information on participant, device used, attendance, location of attendees and session timings. Report can be downloaded in multiple formats such as CSV, XLS and PDF. So try Live Webinar if you need to webinar platform tailored to your needs. And if you talk about rating and reviews about this product, so their rating already 4.75 star. You can check on the internet if you want. And as well as you will see many good reviews about this tool, many positive reviews are already available on internet. And if you talk about their pricing plan, so they have 4 plans: free, pro, business and custom. You can go with free and either you can go with pro, business and custom. I know that right now you are using many of the tools for your webinars, conducting your meetings like Zoom, GoToWebinar, Evergreen. Many more tools are available in the market. But what is the special in this tool? You can grab this tool for a lifetime. Yeah, right. But how you can get, we will talk later. But before I will tell you their official pricing plans. If you will go with free plan, so you will get up to 5 attendees. Okay, you can attend 5 attendees, 2 hours of recording. You can share screen, tests, polls and surveys, marketing automation you can do. And if you will go with pro plan, so you have to pay $11.99 per month. So you will get in this plan 100 attendees, 6 hours of recording, sub accounts, YouTube and Vimeo player, limit of email invitation 200 in 24 hours, chat translation. Okay, because in pro plan you will get many more things. If you will go with business plan, so you have to pay $95.20 per month. And if you will go with custom plan, so you have to pay custom price, right? But how you can grab this tool with a lifetime deal? So here is the platform which name is AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo is a platform where you can grab all digital products for your digital businesses. If you will buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace, so you will get this tool at a starting price $99. Okay, and you can access this tool lifetime. And also they have mentioned all the details about this tool. You can read all the details, you can watch some videos. Okay, and also you can know more about the plan and features here. Okay, and they have 3 plans: single, double and multiple. If you will go with single plan, so you have to pay $99. All the above features you will get with this tool: 100 participant capacity you will get, 500 storage for documentation, 10 hours recording storage you will get, 1 live session, 1 evergreen event and HD 24 fps recording broadcasting. Okay, and if you will go with the double plan, so you have to pay $198 and you will get all these features. And if you will go with multiple, so you have to pay $297, so you will get all these details and you can attend your 300 participant. Okay, and with all these things You will also get 60 days money back guarantee after buying this tool. If you will not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund. No matter the reason. But first, if you want to check this tool for free, so simply just you have to click on the link which I have mentioned in my video description. When you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on this landing page. After coming in this landing page, just you have to scroll down and you have to click on this link, which is live webinar. When you will click on this link, so you will be redirected on live webinar official website. After coming on this website, you can read all the details. You can know more about their plan and features. And if you want to know about pricing, so here you can check all the pricing and plans. And if you want to register yourself and if you want to sign up for free, so just you have to come here top right corner and here you can see free sign up. So just you have to click on that and you can here you have to give your mail ID and you can create your free account. And as well as you can go with Google, Facebook and LinkedIn. I'll go with Google. Now I have entered in live webinar dashboard. So as you can see all the features we can see here and we can access all the features and all the tools. If you want to access this, so let me start the beginning. If you want to conduct your webinar or your meeting instant, so just you have to click on instant meeting and you can conduct your meetings. If you want to schedule your webinar, so just you have to click on that. Here you have to give name of your webinar and here you have to give date, time duration and time zone. Here you can tell something about your event agenda. Okay, and what else you can do? Okay, so now here you can access your storage and all the store you can check like emails, videos, documents, all the storage that you have created you can check here, you can access from here. And as well as if you want to check your test and surveys, so you can go here. Right now we don't have any tests and surveys, but if you have, so you can check all the tests and surveys when you will use this tool. So I know many tests and surveys you will create, so you can check here, you can access all the tests and surveys from here itself. Okay, and as well as and also you can invite your participant from here. How would you like to invite your attendees? Via email, call out, message, download. You can download your personal URLs, upload CSV and generate personal URLs. Okay, and you can manage your presenters. Okay, and you can add here new presenter also. Here you can check your restaurant form, lead forms, manage restaurants, integrations. Okay, marketing automation, you can use their Zapier app, API access credentials, REST web hooks, API documentation, many more things you can do with this tool. They are giving you many features with this tool, but if you will go with their free plan, so you will get some few features. But I know if you are using like Zoom subscription, GoToWebinar subscription, Evergreen subscription, any one of them you are if you are using, so you are paying for a year. Every year you have to renew them and then you can access them, right? But here you can grab this tool for a lifetime with one-time payment, which you can buy from AppSumo Digital Product Marketplace, which link already I have given in my video description. That is my affiliate link. If you will go with that link, so I'll get some sort of commission out of your purchase, but it will not cost you more than that. If you will go with $99, so you have to pay $99 itself. You no need to pay external amount. But this tool is, trust me, amazing. I'm using this tool and I will use this tool because personally I like too much this tool. And if you are compare this tool with some other tools, so you can compare with this tool with Zoom, GoToMeeting, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Zoom Web, Zoom Video Webinar, GoToWebinar. Many more tools are available in the market that if you want to compare this tool with them, so you can compare itself. But nobody will give you a lifetime deal in this amount, right? So if you want this tool, so you can grab it. And thanks for watching this video, by the way. And if you want to know more about and if you want to give your feedback, so you can write your feedback in my comment box. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.